Hello, my beautiful people, beautiful exotic fam. Welcome to today's video. It's just a quick video. I just want to do a little bit of conversion from grams to cups for a lot of persons that do not have scale at home. You can make do with your cup. So I want to do conversion of 1 kg of flour to cups and 500 gram of flour to cups. So stay tuned with me in this video. If it's your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos on my channel. You get to learn a lot from me. Are you a beginner baker or you love to bake? This channel is the right place for you to be. I teach a whole lot of things here on this channel, so please subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So I don't know why my screen, like this my scale, that place that displays number, it's looking dark of recently. I don't know why. Maybe it's telling me that it's getting old, but the scale works perfectly. Maybe it's time to get a new one and another type, not this product again. I'll get another form of digital scale, but not this particular make again. But hope you're seeing what I am doing. But I try to make it bigger whenever I measure out the quantity. As someone who loves baking, or a beginner baker, or you just want to try out some recipes at home, you should try and get your measurement cups and spoon. They cost just 1,000 naira. Even the last time I got it was 500, but now it should be around 1,000 naira. So you should try and get it. Even if you can't afford a scale, you should get a measurement cup and spoon, because one thing about baking is if you make a single mistake, that recipe will flop. Like you mistakenly do more butter than more flour, your cake will either come out oily or it will come out too sugary, or if the flour is much, it will be too strong. So you should try and get a measurement cup and spoon. It doesn't cost much. So baking is science. Like you need to follow step by step. If not, you might not like the outcome of the whole thing when you are done. Sometimes you end up with a strong chin chin because your flour is plenty than the butter, or the butter is plenty than the sugar, and the sugar is too much and the whole thing is so sugary. So you should try and get a measurement cup whenever you go to get baking things next time. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I'll be posting new videos very soon.